The world of AI is taking e-commerce by storm, and in today's video, we're going to be dissecting an $800 million a year brand that is absolutely scaling like crazy using AI. And what's amazing about this brand is that they're actually publicly traded, so we can see exactly the revenue that they're making. We don't need to just guess, and we can also see exactly how they've been doing recently in terms of stock price, which is going to be a very interesting video. So we're also going to analyze their ads because, believe it or not, they're running over 600 active ads at once. So every type of brand out here, even the ones that are doing nearly $1 billion, are using the same strategies that we talk about on this channel for Meta scaling and Shopify scaling. And we'll first start out with the traffic. So the site that I'm going to dissect is called Spoiled Child, and this is actually only one of the brands in under the Oddity Tech portfolio, but they're all ecom brands. And this is pretty much the one that is most popular right now, one of the ones that's scaling the fastest. And as you see, they're at nearly, from 8 to 10 million monthly visitors. That is unbelievable. And it's primarily from the US, but it's not the only place that they're getting traffic from. They're getting traffic from everywhere. Now, this is a really, really great bundle here because it's actually kind of expensive, right? A $44 subscription is not cheap. In fact, at Ecommerce, my agency, this is why I love making these videos. I love to do research for my company and for the clients that we work with, as well as in our accelerator. And all the brands that we've been able to scale super fast, like pretty much like almost 10x in a matter of months, have all had similar offers as this actually, believe it or not. Basically a semi-high average order value offer, like $44 to $55, but on subscription. That is extremely powerful, right? Because now you're not only just acquiring a customer once, you're acquiring them for an extended period of time, especially if your product is good. Now, what this product is a liquid collagen product. So that's all it is. It's a liquid collagen, but it has extra strength. That's kind of the big thing about it. There's a lot of research and development that they've done to create this just like super strong collagen drink, which is, again, really interesting. I don't see people promoted a liquid collagen drink. I've seen many people promoting all kinds of collagen products. In fact, I looked up collagen on TeamDrop, which is a free sourcing platform, and there's tons of dupes of existing products. And like the reason these are available is probably because there are drop shippers that are just really running these up. I don't recommend you do that necessarily, but I do think it's smart to formulate your own product based on these trends, and you can do that on TeamDrop. But the collagen peptide trend overall is actually exploding. I mean, this is only going up. And this isn't necessarily a peptide, but it's riding the same kind of trend, and it's an adjacent trend. And that's one of the things that I always tell the members in the accelerator, where we help basically coach brands or mentor brands or people starting brands into launching and scaling efficiently based on all the data we see and all the ads that we run. We literally see millions of dollars of ad spend every single year. We're the highest tier as Meta agency partners, which is pretty cool. We get to see a lot of stuff. I'm very blessed to, have all this information. But let's actually dive into the rest of their product page. So one thing that you can see is it doesn't look that much different than what you would do as, some sort of drop shipper. And I don't mean that like negatively. I actually think drop shipping is an incredible way to make money, especially as a beginner, because you are learning incredibly valuable skills and you don't need to wait for anybody to hire you to learn those skills. You don't need to spend any money besides on ads to learn, and those skills are so transferable. I'm living proof. I mean, I started a dropshipping store like 7 years ago, and now it's led me to having all these amazing digital businesses, all these amazing partners, meeting some incredible entrepreneurs. And it's all because I got really good at running Meta ads and building Shopify stores. That's all it was. And we're still running several dropshipping stores that make a ton of cash flow every single month. It's so amazing. But you can see it's really not that different. The only difference is like the images and the structure. And then, they do have actually some really brilliant stuff like quiz funnels. They were kind of the first to actually really start utilizing AI in their, just in their back end on this Asked Spoiled Brain. So it's kind of like a quiz funnel. And this is where they primarily drive traffic, actually. So if this will actually load, I'm not too confident that it will. We'll be able to see just how much traffic they're getting here. So I think it's under the same site. So yeah, it's the same amount of traffic, but you see they're just driving to a quiz funnel. And then let's go look at their ad library, because here you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. If we click learn more on some of their top impressions ads, we know that these are some of their top impression ads because I am sorting them by highest impressions, and they're from October 29th and still active, by the way, which is how we know this is for sure a winning ad. One really easy hack that I want to give to you is you can basically just copy any winning ad like this through any large language model image generator that you want. So, I'm using Nano Banana 3 or Nano Banana 2 here on draftpy.com, but I can also use the new GPT on here. I don't know if this is available for everyone, but this is my own tool and I use it for myself. So if it's not available for you, I'm sorry. But you can also just do this on ChatGPT. And then let's just say I want to take, one of these products. Let's say this one. Let's say I want to take this product and I want to just put it here. And I'll say swap out the product in the first image with the product in the second image and change the accent colors of the text and button to pink. And we'll see how it does. We'll do it 1-to-1 because that's the same exact ratio that they're running. We'll make the quality a little better and we'll generate 3 at the same time. And you'll see just like that, it'll start generating. It's just loading, and then we'll check in on it in just a second. Oh yeah, I'm using the GPT one. Let's also do Grok. Let's compare all these just for fun, and then we'll do Google as well, the Gemini Nano Banana model. So we'll see. We'll do 3 of those. So yeah, I'm generating a lot here, but boom, just like that, it created it. This isn't really exactly the same product. So this is ChatGPT, these first 3. And we'll see the other ones. So all the ChatGPT ones are pretty good, but it's not the exact product. So I would have to make some edits there. But let's see the Grok and then the Gemini ones. We'll come back to this. Actually, here it's generating. So yeah, the Grok one actually did get it right, at least on the product side, but it didn't make it look that good. This one does look really good for the most part. But anyways, so let's just wait, I guess, for these to load. These are almost done. So these are all the Grok ones. These 3 right here are the Grok ones. I'll probably delete all these. I just wanted to show you how this works and how you could do it yourself. But let's actually just proceed here. I do think actually, I'm not a financial advisor, but I do think this is a really great stock to buy because the market cap is basically the same as the revenue. I mean, that's pretty rare, right, in the stock market, especially for a company that is actually very privy to AI systems. In fact, like I said, their main way of, they're doing like this crazy lead gen when it comes to AI using this quiz funnel. But not only that, I mean, a lot of their ads are actually AI. So they're doing exactly what we're doing at my agency, right, to just pump out a ton of ad creative that are super well researched using AI. I'll show you right here, for example.
Antes de
We have
probar
this one
GLP-1.
that's like entirely AI and it's in Spanish as well, which is also very interesting. That's a really easy way to kind of hack the US algorithm. But yeah, that was clearly like an AI hook. And they use a lot of AI these days. It's super interesting. They're making some really, really weird ads. Honestly, they're just making all kinds of ads. They're just pumping out a crazy amount of creative diversity. And that's the name of the game. I mean, that's what it takes to win in today's landscape. You don't need to do this level of volume, but even if you just produce like an extra 5 creatives a week, if you can get 30 creatives a month launched, you're in a really good spot, especially if they're good creatives. And a lot of brands don't do that. So, that's why a lot of brands don't do very well on Meta. So, yeah, you can see a lot of these are really interesting. I like this one, pancake butt sucks. I'm just not snacking like I used to. I feel more satiated. Take the spoiled brain quiz and find the right products for your health and wellness goals. So interesting. I guess, this specific ad also goes to the quiz, but I want to see what kind of product. I think this is the collagen product. So they're trying so many different angles for collagen. I mean, I'm actually kind of surprised because I didn't think this liquid collagen would help with, just I guess like weight loss. So they're taking this weight loss angle for this collagen product. I started eating liquid collagen for my thinning hair, but what really shocked me was what it did for my skin. By my fourth bottle, the sagging and crepiness in my arms and stomach looked so much smoother. My skin feels firmer, tighter, and more youthful. Okay, so it's not really like a weight loss angle, but that's what the quote says. I'm just not snacking like I used to. I feel more satiated. So yeah, they are testing the weight loss angle, even though it's for a collagen product, and they're doing it in a very sort of sneaky way. They probably decided to do that based on their quiz results. Also, what's amazing, you can make quizzes like this with AI these days. You don't need any sort of app. Like anybody can make a quiz like this now, which is kind of insane. And that's just the world that we live in right now. It's seriously never been a better time for ecom, and that's why I'm really excited about the agency right now, because what we can do for brands, and of course take a percentage of what we do. It's pretty unbelievable. I mean, we can handle an entire like 8-figure brands operation. It's pretty ridiculous. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that out there. But this brand just intrigues me a lot. I'm very impressed by what they're doing, and I'm very impressed by their growth. As you see, since they are a publicly traded company, I honestly might start buying some of this stock because, they are up 20%, 24% year over year. They got through all this like crazy tariff stuff. They did post a $13 million quarter, like a profit quarter, which is pretty crazy, in this world of like performance marketing. Obviously, that's like 10% margins or less than that. But at this scale, that's really, really good, especially for recurring products. They're spending a lot of money on acquisition. That's no secret, right? I mean, you can see it just on Meta alone, but I'm almost certain that they're doing a lot of volume on TikTok, on Google, on email marketing. I mean, their email marketing must be insane through all the leads that they collect with this quiz. Which is always a super undervalued thing for ecom. And again, that's why I'm excited for the agency, because we can plug in all these holes for brands, and get invested in some of them too. And we've done that in the past. Of course, continue to build our brands too, but it takes a lot of money to grow ecom brands. So doing both feels like the best thing for me. I also enjoy doing research so much. It's like really fun and sharing it with you guys. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. Hopefully you learned something. I guess let's check in on the Nano Banana. So yeah, Nano Banana is still the best image generator. We just proved it here. We tested GPT, we tested Grok, and this is Nano Banana. First try, just one shot at this like absolutely perfectly. I would literally run this as an ad for this product that you can literally just drop ship and add to your store in just a second. I'll leave the links in the description. I'll leave a $1 a month Shopify plan. I'll leave the team drop link so you can add products to your store. I'll leave the DraftPi link so you can try generating some stuff for free. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.